Namaskaram. In this video, we will be talking about pyramid water, the holy water. We will discuss what's the benefits of it, how to prepare it, and what the precautions to take, and how to consume it. Water is considered as the nectar of the earth, and it is a vital necessity of life and existence. We can make water the best natural tonic by charging it in a pyramid. Human beings can survive without food for 5 weeks but cannot survive without water more than 3 to 4 days. That also in a moderate climate. Around 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Human body mainly consists of water only. A newborn baby has 77% of water, likewise a grown-up child has 59% and an adult has 45 to 65% water in its body. Our body parts also contain water as the largest constituent as per following table. Blood 83%, kidneys 82%, muscles 75%, brain 74%, liver 69%, bones 22%. There are so many places around the globe whose water is considered to be the sacred. In fact, these places are surrounded by special energy. Only one thing is there that is common among all the kunds where the holy water is found, that they are of inverted pyramidal shape with exact specifications of dimensions and size. Whenever you go to such a place, just watch it carefully and you will find it correct. Pyramid water can be of great advantage of your health, your pets or aquariums, etc. Try some of the experiments and definitely you will get surprising results. Pyramid charged water not only works as a natural tonic, but it has also so many other advantages also. Apply pyramid water on the wounded part of your body. It will give instant relief, and the same thing can be experienced for insect bites and rashes. You can also use pyramid water to make your facial skin more smoother and young looking. What you have to do is to apply pyramid charged water on the face for 5 to 6 weeks. Pyramid water can also be used for cooking, to make your food tastier and appetizing, and save your time also by fast cooking. Use pyramid charged water. It has been revealed by experiments that drinking a glass of pyramid water early in the morning, every day before eating anything, makes your digestive system strong and better. It has also been revealed that the water kept inside the pyramid retains its oxygen to a larger extent. An experiment was performed with a piece of decayed fruit. It was divided into 2 equal parts. One was kept in pyramid water and the other one in plain water. They were tested after a week. The fruit piece in a plain water was found more decayed and was emitting foul smell and that was unbearable, while the other one kept in pyramid charged water was in same condition as it was kept. There was no bad smell and the water was also clean. Now let's discuss the procedure for making pyramid water. Place a large pyramid over the container filled with water. To make a special pyramid water, keep the container of water over the pyramid yantra. To make your pyramid water more powerful and faster too, place pyramid yantras over and under the container. Precautions. Time. It takes minimum 2 hours and maximum 24 hours to charge pyramid water, then it retains its power for long time. Container. You can use copper, clay, plastic or glass container to make pyramid water. Containers made of earth, clay, copper, they will be better and glass, they will be far better than plastic. Direction. Keep one side of pyramid facing towards the north direction on the container. Water. While pouring water in the container, be sure that it is pure, filtered and clean. It is better to boil the water before pouring it in the container. Weather. You may use lukewarm water in winter and cold water in summer. Consumption. Drink the pyramid charged water early in the morning and with an empty stomach. Keep an hour's gap between the consumption of pyramid water and your first meal. Uses. Pyramid water can be used for drinking and for treatment. to take bath with some other domestic uses also. You can also use it on the plants. Plants will also grow better and fast.